Welcome everybody, and today we are playing a new game called Lollipop, and I'm new and I don't know nothing. I know nothing, I totally don't know this game, and I'm new, as I said. And there's some acid here, there's some air, and some droplets, and some lava, and some acid. And maybe, I hope I will not die. And I'm shocked by that smack. No, he's savage. Get out of here, Kate. Power up. No way to get. We'll finally get the pieces. Yeah, we got a piece. Okay. I got it. The lava is so good. Oh, two of those.
Oh! Oh!
Ow!
Ouch!
Ooh. Ooh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Get out of here. So we need to conquer the boss without losing a life. Got it, Daddy. Got it, Dad. Okay. Without losing a life. But not counting this thing. The clock.
The clock, you see, is running the time. We can run out of time very easily.
Yeah, but we don't count it if we lose a life. If we lose a life because of it, we don't count it. We only count if we lose a life, like by falling or by killing ourselves or by doing anything that hurts us, but we done it ourselves. And the flip. Come on.
Flop. Flop.
Flipping flip.
Floppy, floppy.
Flip.
How much is gonna be our score?
Already 7,000.
7,600.
Don't lose a life. Don't you dare lose a candy. Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
ouch.
It's just one candy. Come on.
How many candy do we lose so far?
1, 2.
No, we have one candy left only.
Candy Crush. Good. Jump.
No!
Tank.
This tank is dangerous.
And it's also tanky.
Only one candy left. My God.
It's also really tanky.
We have got one candy left.
Oh,
Mushroom
we got a
is not
banana.
good. Mushroom is not good.
Yes, because it's a banana.
It's like a poison or something.
Hypnotizing.
Exactly. Hypnotize her. She's not able to walk. Oh, there is a weight everywhere.
Oh!
No.
This one's gonna fall, and one at the end is gonna fall.
This one at the end is yeah. Okay, we have 4 life and we still have a lot of time. Not a lot, but a little bit, like 20 minutes we have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not 20 minutes.
I mean 20 minutes of that clock, of that hour, maybe less. In reality it's less than 20 minutes. Oops, I tried to rush.
In reality it's maybe like 9 minutes or something.
It's like, no, in reality it could be
Even 2.
3 minutes, maybe.
In reality it could be even maybe 8 minutes or at least 8.
Please give us enough time. We don't want to time out again. Before we time it out, isn't it? We don't wanna die with time out.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Ah, I should not have. The heavy weight doesn't allow to jump.
Yeah.
So we lose now 3 seconds. Okay.
No, don't take the heavy weight next time. I'm like new that the heavyweight is the problem. Because heavyweight, even I cannot hold that 100 kilos.
Can you hold it? You cannot jump with 100 kilo on your
Yeah, on my back.
Okay.
Or in my hands. But I saw a man that was jumping with 200 kilos, and he was jumping 8. He was jumping more than 20 meters, 20 centimeters in height, and he was holding only 200.
200.
Yeah, and he could jump. This man was sick. Do not take the box.
No, I take the box. We have time.
No, man.
Only the skull, the poison. No.
Do not take the box.
No, I took the box.
Why do you need this?
No, it gives us more energy.
Okay, at least more energy.
Does it give us more time? No. No, we don't have any time. If we run out of time, we can use the flash.
Why? Okay, maybe. Okay, definitely when we fight the boss, it will not put down time. Okay?
No, it can time out as well. Also,
No, it must not. It must not. Because if we die, the boss is gonna be low. It's gonna be still not the same. It's gonna be.
Oh, if we don't lose any life in level 1, it's gonna be very good.
Don't come close. Don't come close to him.
Now, let's use the flash now.
He's a flash.
Oh no, we beat him already.
I told ya.
But now I don't think it will recharge us any energy. Next level is okay. We didn't lose a life. Maybe this is gonna be a good round then. It's gonna be a good run.
Underground is my most unfavorite one.
I hate this level. I hate it because when you jump, you go in the acid. It's very unfair to die there.
Yeah, even when you touch the ground. Oh! Oh!
Is it the underground?
Oh! No, I'm talking about the clock.
The clock is reset, of course. Every level it gets reset.
Oh! It's like a brand new day, and
It's
a brand new day,
exactly.
and a brand new day is a brand new start. And when you get brand new start, we need to find the crystal. Well, let us get the.
But we have very little. We don't have any energy
I don't
left.
remember where's the crystal.
No energy left. So if they touch us, we are dead.
Try not to do this.
Yeah, maybe the barrel could kill us. Let's see. There is a barrel here. Okay. Now there is a bat as well somewhere. And there is a bat here.
We're good? The bat
Are we
doesn't give
good?
me-
Are we
Of
good?
course, man.
If they touch us, we are dead.
Of course, man. Of course.
You think, can I do it?
Run. Jump over it.
Jump over it.
No, I mean to jump over the staircase there.
It's so annoying when you have very little energy left.
Kill the poo-poo. Kill that poo-poo.
Okay, we have very little energy
Be
left.
careful
We can
and
do
kill
that.
all the poo-poos. I know baby kids love when they say poo-poo. Baby kids always, ha ha ha, he said poo-poo, ha 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 ha. I know, but this time it's not funny. When poo-poo is alive and it also stinks, and blah, these things are scary. Okay, I'm not gonna talk.
No! Ah, thoughts. We lost a life and now we have to go back and lose more time and run out of time. So this game is unfair, I guess. We lost one life plus we are gonna run out of time again.
Plus, we just lost the candy.
And we lost the candy as well because the bar.
of your not attention.
I hate this jumping, to be honest.
Yeah, me too. Because it really.
You lose one life, then you
Because
lose
I
another
want
life.
to make another video.
No, it's okay. I promise this is gonna be the last video today. Shit. Oh, sorry, I swear.
But we still need to save it because this is the best we could do. Still save it because this is the best.
You want to post this video?
Yeah, but this is the best we could do.
Fucking hell!
Again.
Shit.
Again.
We lost already 2 life. Another life is gonna be lost now because the timeout.
Come on, but we still need to save it because this is our best we can do.
This is the best I can do. Yesterday I did without dying. Yesterday I didn't lose a life on that jumping.
Maybe it's just because you're tired.
Yeah, but we are already very close. Half clock. I'm tired.
12:30. Come on. No, man.
You need to learn the timing, you see?
I'm breaking my toes.
Whoa.
I'm breaking my
I like
toes.
this. If you learn the timing, you're okay.
Kill the poo-poo.
Okay. We wasted 2 lives. Level 3 for me is easier than this. I mean, the jumping is not that difficult. Oh! Yeah, shit.
Again!
Yeah, again, shit.
Yeah, but this... Again. Okay, but we need to post it because this is our best.
Let's hope it's our best.
Yeah, if we get at least to level 3, we must post it. Even if you say...
A bad word.
And you guys also don't say these bad words.
Come on, die.
That blob is invincible.
Yeah, this blob
I'm
is invincible.
I'm unstoppable today.
No, this bat
What
is also...
the horrible! What the horrible today!
but wait, this run is not very good. We missed the weapon.
Today.
Somehow we miss it.
I'm unstoppable today. There it is!
Oh!
There it is! I see.
Let's use the flash.
That jumping crystal. That jumping crystal.
At least now we took a little bit of candy.
At least we got the thing to get the artifacts. At least we got the artifact.
I don't understand
The
why
artifact
the
is
weapon
good.
We don't have enough
Flint.
weapon. What did we do before that we have a weapon?
Go fast. Go quick. Go at the speed of
No,
light.
we ran out
Go
of
at the
time.
speed of light, baby. And I'm going to be so fast. Be enormously fast. Enormously fast.
We missed a chest in level 1, I guess.
Yeah, baby. But I don't care. I don't care.
It's okay. Also, the score is less. We
don't care.
finished level 1 with 40,000.
I don't care.
We missed something in level 1.
I don't care. Because points are not gonna let us win, yeah? Or maybe.
Maybe. If you get...
Yeah, but if you say like points are points are the best. Come on, points are the best. Come on, really, they are points are the best. Points are actually the best. Come on, man. Well, that's not true. That poo-poo has a
Peace.
Our maximum is that we get 2 pieces. I'm not gonna.
Oh. Yeah.
Phew.
Now I don't touch the check. So at least if I die, we don't start
get the
from
piece.
Exactly. I don't
Now
touch
we
the
finally got 3 pieces. Now
Extra
this is
life.
cobblestone.
Extra
that is
life, a
cobblestone.
caramel.
Nice.
So if we die now, we don't start from this check.
Why?
Yeah, I don't want to start from this check.
You.
No! I mean, we got an extra life. We lost another life. It's okay. I don't know how to do it. It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, this is my punishment. Oh! I was going to the right. That part, I don't know why. I need more practice.
Yeah.
It's the only difficult part in level 2, because level 2 is easy. Only that part need to be done better.
Pass this and we will going to see the boss.
Oh!
We are going to see the boss.
Yeah.
Come on. Destroy that cloud.
Ah, there is another extra life here. I tell you, there is another extra life.
Is the pooper gonna give it to you?
There is an extra life here.
Maybe this is.
Ah, it doesn't jump. Yeah, the weight. It doesn't let you jump. For goodness sake. No, I can jump.
Is there something there?
Yeah, here there is an extra life. Yeah, there is an extra life, but we will run out of time, because to take this extra life you need to be very quick.
Where is it? Down there?
Yeah, here there is an extra life again.
Yeah, there we go.
Here you go. I think the game is not very dramatically difficult if you don't lose silly jumping on the acid.
Where is it?
If you see, yeah, because I did very badly on that acid jumping. Otherwise we could have had 6 lives. But we can reach level 3.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go to the boss now.
Where is it up?
Yeah, the boss is here somewhere.
Oh no.
Oh, we need another piece first.
Yeah, what could you look at?
Now we don't have any difficult jumping anyway.
Oh.
Not difficult jumping, so we are fine.
Now how are we gonna go there then?
The last piece is here. In that door, see?
That door. In the sauce door.
No, the barrel is gonna fall on our head. No. Let's see, we're gonna run out of time now.
Maybe no. You never know.
We don't have enough
Oh,
time.
you never know.
But we still have 3 lives.
What did you say? Enter.
Enter to enter the door, yeah, I need to press enter.
I might help you with that.
Yeah, you can press enter
Last
for me.
piece.
I can tell you when to press. No, now!
Oh, flip.
Enter again, please. I tell you when to press it. We need to collect 2 chests first. Yeah, 2 chests, you see? Ah, time! He gave us extra time. Where did he go?
Sheep.
Where did he go? Where did he go? This has never happened before. Ah, it's okay, I think it's the same room. Please press enter now. We are running out of time. We have all the 4 pieces. What is the puzzle? The object of the puzzle?
It's a hand.
It's a hand. Yeah, it's like it looks like a fist. Something. Like yeah, it's a fist.
Like an iron
Oh, why
fist.
the game is running so slowly now? Oh, the poo. Ah, now there is a boss. The boss is here.
I hope there's not gonna be no bad.
This is the boss. Let's use all the flash. Press space on the keyboard. Yeah.
Space.
No, this is space. Yeah, the big button. Yeah, press space when I tell you. I tell you when to press space.
Tell him.
No now. Not yet. Ah no, we don't need space. We did it without space. That boss are easy. We are gonna get now full recharge of energy and an extra life. So we can reach level 4. I mean, level 2, I hate it so much. I hate that jumping, really. The jumping on the acid is annoying, isn't it?
Rainy forest.
This is the first
The
time.
mushroom plant as the tea is.
You
really
see,
cool.
forest is like a tea. The mushroom is a tea.
Yeah,
I know how to
it's
do
really
this
cool.
level very well. I hate level 2, but I like level 3. Nice! Our score is only 58,000.
Yeah.
It's very poor score. Before we reach
Hedgehog.
I'm sure we missed
B.
something.
Bee and Hedgehog.
We miss something. We give our extra life here.
Miss Bee and Hedgehog.
See, extra life.
Miss Bee and Hedgehog.
I know how to do level 3 better than level 2. Oh.
The mushrooms are make you slide.
Oh, there is a poison. You have never seen this level, don't you?
No.
Oh, a photo allows us to destroy all the enemy on the screen. You see? Did you notice? Ah, no, sorry. You can press the space. I tell you when we need the space, okay? No, not now. When I am in danger.
I am just gonna.
When I have a danger, just press space. I mean, you can see. I tell you when. When you see a lot of enemies on the screen, press space. We have a lot of. We have another 4, so we can use it.
Yeah.
I tell you when. Yeah. Press space now.
Space.
Well done. Okay. Now, Danny, I can continue for a minute, no problem. Yeah, there is an extra life. Let's see. Ah! Yeah, there is another extra life. Okay, it was worth it. How to avoid this fire, for goodness sake? Okay, we still have 2 candies. Danny, I just collected an extra life.
Yeah, do it.
Now we have 4 lives, not 3.
Yeah.
So I told you, we have a chance. We have a big chance to even reach level 4.
And then we'll stop this video.
Yeah, I mean, I want to reach level 4. I'm happy. I'm happy with level 4.
Pumpkin.
Actually, I never reached level 4, to be honest. Yesterday I reached level 4, but the game crashed. When I beat the boss, then I think I need to download a new version of this. This version that I have crashes sometimes. So let's see if we are lucky. If it doesn't crash, we are lucky.
And then we'll just stop the video, okay?
No, this I'm happy. Level 4, I'm happy. If we reach level 4, we are happy.
No, that's not the artifact. What is this? Like, is that honey?
Which one?
Like honey.
Honey. Oh, this is lava, probably.
No, this is honey. These like honey.
It looks like fire.
Looks like honey. Looks like fiery honey.
Fire honey. Boiling honey. The color is like honey, but it's hot like lava.
So it's lava honey.
Lava honey.
I did not see levers in the forest, but they could be sticks.
Okay, level 3 for me now became so easy. Yesterday I did so I practiced a lot level 3 yesterday, maybe that's why.
But I'm really frustrated that we're gonna die.
Yeah, I know, what can you do? I died so many times in level 2.
Yeah, first artifact.
Oh!
The artifact is a bee.
Oh, we can reach level. The most important, we reach level 4 and
the boss I think is a big.
How much is that? We already beat our score. You see, now we are more than 76,000. Before we did 76,000. Level 3. Level 2, sorry. Now we are in level.
These logs are really ugly. You know, the logs are like in Plants vs. Zombies. When something shoots, they cause fire and then fireballs. Like Plants vs. Zombies.
Yeah, now it's gonna be a little bit difficult part.
You know, the rainforest is so...
It's raining, that's why I say it's a forest and it's raining as well.
You know, it's really
Press enter when I tell you that we need to enter that room. I tell you, when we get here, press enter, press enter. Yeah, this part is a little bit difficult.
What? How is it big?
It's difficult, but I'm good in jumping.
How is it big?
I know how to jump.
How is it big now?
Oh my goodness.
How is it big now? It was a tiny baby room.
Yeah, we don't need to touch the check. Oh. And not I touch it, so now we are there, a little bit in danger. Because if we die now, we need to redo, we go back. Oh my goodness, time out.
How do these faces still
We are
know
gonna
where
running
we
out
are?
of time. Oh, let's say,
How do the faces know where we are? Are you doing?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't swear, don't worry, don't say anything.
I said it.
Otherwise we have to cancel the video.
No, because it's all
Okay, this is not for children. This video is not for children. Anyway. Premi enter.
Enter.
Yeah.
I just keep it on enter.
How many puzzles we need? We need only one piece. Only one piece here. But we are running out of time. We are running out of time.
I do not want to spawn in that.
We need the last piece. Oh, goodness sake.
I want to start in
Maybe the last piece is there. Time. Give me time. No, it doesn't give us an extra time. Time out.
You're flipping earth.
It's okay, time out.
At least we started in the house.
Well, where is the last piece?
Yeah.
We lost the bonuses, you see? We didn't have time to collect it.
Already one.
Oh, this is Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
He looks like Robin Hood.
Robin Good. Robin Good.
Robin Good.
Maybe Robin Junk.
There is nothing here. My goodness.
Just
there is time, you see?
Look, you got the
Shame.
fungus.
Oh,
Enter.
enter.
At least I got time.
Oh, no.
Frog. A bad
What
frog.
ugly frog.
Bad frog. You're a bad frog.
Okay,
You're not even a princess.
this is not difficult.
That frog
John.
is
I
not
did
even
it
a
yesterday.
princess.
I did it yesterday, so I
That
should.
frog is not even a princess.
I should not fall down.
There's a chest.
I know. We can take it. Ah! I fall down.
Oh, sheesh. At least we can take the chest. If the chest just has the piece.
Are we gonna pause this video?
If
Extra life! Wow, this
Oh.
game is so generous.
So nice.
Now we are gonna reach level 4. Come on, level 3 is easier than level 2.
We must.
Yeah, we must.
We must.
Ah!
Hey. Oi.
Oops.
Oi.
Yeah, this is the last part of the puzzle.
Yes.
No! Wow! What is this?
Acid.
This is acid, yeah.
Don't.
This is gonna die.
Why did you take it?
Okay, let's jump. And jumping back actually is not that simple.
Come on.
Oh!
Nice one. Nice one, baby.
We still have 3 lives. But I never played in level 4 anyway, so even if we beat the boss,
I don't remember.
I don't know how to beat it. I mean, how to... Premi enter.
Enter. Or maybe exit.
No, I'm happy with this score. I mean, it's okay. I never reached level 4 anyway, so we are gonna be fine, absolutely. If the game doesn't crash.
Yeah. If the game crashes, we still post it.
Of course, we will post the video. That is 114,000. It's a good score. I tell you when to press bar, okay? Space
I'll
bar.
still hold bar.
Yeah,
Is this the boss?
yeah, this is the boss. Whoa!
Oh, why are you so...
Premi bar, premi.
Why are you so ugly?
Premi bar when
Ew, why are you so ugly?
when the bees are near us.
Why are you so ugly? Keep on shooting them. These are not even coming.
Yeah, we beat him. Level 4. I told you we can reach level 4. I never saw level 4 before, so for me it will be the first time.
Come on, give us
Are we gonna post the score? Do you like this score, Danny?
Yeah, pretty much okay.
Wow, we did so many enemies.
Ooh.
141. It's a good score.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can post it.
But next time,
Ooh, Spook Ville. What does it mean, spook in English?
spook.
What is a spook? It's a monster.
Yeah, monsters.
It's a monster village then. Okay, Danny, this is new for us. It's new for me and new for you because I never played this level before. What? Who is this? The Adam family.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. We are the spooks who come in.
Oh, we died.
On the start. What the?
Whoa!
What the flip?
Spook Ville.
We are the family.
Premi here, we can enter. We cannot enter, it's not a
Because
room.
it's not a ship.
Oh,
Because you pressed shift.
come on. Oh my goodness, this is very difficult. This level seems to be very... Premi space, maybe. Do we still have a peak? Premi enter.
I'm pressing it.
Maybe we need a key to enter. Enter?
No,
It doesn't
maybe an
enter.
artifact.
Okay, it's an artifact then. It's not... What do you think about this level? I think I found it very interesting.
I think I
They
found
copied
it
the
really
graphic from
creepy.
the Adam family. Or from Ghosts and Goblins, you see?
Oh, maybe the boss is going to be a ghost.
Do you think it's gonna be like similar to Ghosts and Goblins?
No, I think it's...
Let me enter. Yeah, here you can enter here.
Why?
Yeah, it's a... Oh!
Oh,
Ah, there's
this
a
might
key.
be it. Oh, maybe when we collect
Oh,
the
who's shooting
keys.
at us? Somebody's shooting at us. Who?
Actually, you throw them in the air.
Yeah, there is nothing else here. No chest, nothing.
Just came here to die.
Okay, premise enter. Remember that we lost so many life in level 2. So
Yeah.
maybe I can reach level 5 if I do better.
Chest.
Okay,
Ooh,
this time
hallelujah.
1 ton. 1 ton is 1,000 kilo.
Hey,
Oh my
What the?
goodness! I didn't know. I never reached
What
this
the
level
flip?
before. But we are lucky, the game didn't crash.
we need to jump middle.
Yeah, we need to do it on time actually. Oh! Mamma mia, this is so harsh.
And now we're stuck because the platforms are not gonna respawn.
No, it's okay. I'm happy with 180,000. We can pause the score. And actually, let me do a screenshot before we die.
I made a screenshot.
Yeah, I made the screenshot because we are gonna
You
die
made a
now. Okay.
screenshot?
I think we're gonna
Made it?
die. I don't think I know how to. I need to do a lot of practice here.
I'll just make a screenshot. So we start from here to the next episode.
No, I did it.
Okay,
Well, this
maybe.
looks like Ghosts and Goblins.
Okay, maybe when we finish the video, make another screenshot
No,
so
we'll
you
do
can
another. Yeah, of course.
so you can see the rest of the game.
But this is my last life. Oh, another extra life! Wow, this game is so generous.
Yeah, this is a ghost.
This game is so generous.
This is a ghost. The boss is a ghost. The boss is a ghost.
Ah, the boss is a ghost.
I already see it.
This looks like a monster, yeah. Oh!
Even if we're gonna defeat the boss, I'm gonna be shocked.
Oh! Let's see if we can enter here. Let me enter.
No.
It's an artifact. Okay, it's an artifact. This is look like a Adam family.
Dun, 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 dun.
Maybe we need another key.
What killed you?
Maybe we can go inside this well. Let's go inside the well, maybe. Premi enter.
I'm pressing it. I'm spamming it. I'm spamming it.
Okay. What do we need to? Okay, wait. Don't press. Okay, maybe in the window. We can go inside the window.
I'm spamming it again.
It doesn't work.
Wait, maybe inside
Try
those
here,
windows.
inside the windows. Yeah, let's try.
Maybe inside those
Let's
windows.
try to go inside all window. Here doesn't work. Here.
Maybe we need
Here.
to go.
Premi. Maybe inside this
I'm
window.
spamming it. No, maybe inside those
Here.
windows.
Premi enter here.
Oh, flip, I'm not.
Enter
pressing-
here.
I'm not pressing
It doesn't work. Oh.
No.
Why doesn't it let us go inside this door?
Because it's locked.
Premi,
And the keys.
enter doesn't work.
You
Yeah,
shift.
maybe we need a key then.
Maybe the keys are just nothing.
No, we need to go back to collect. Maybe the key will be in some chest. It's okay. I'm happy with level 4. I never reached level 4 before, so I need practice. The aim of this morning video was just to reach level 4.
Yeah.
I told you which level. I want to reach level 4. I told you.
Spook Ville.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna reach level 4.
Yeeshop.
Yeah.
This is just some.
Oh no, it's very. Oh, the bridge door. Oh.
What? The flipping.
Okay, let's do the screenshot now.
Maybe finish the video.
Let's finish the video.
So, bye bye, guys.
Should I put? No.
See you next time. Yeah, this is a nice score.
Is it a good score?
Yeah.
Should we post it?
Yeah.
Which
And
level?
Level
We reached level 4. And how many points?
195850.
Okay, let me make a screenshot.
And bye bye, guys. See you next time.
Thank you.
For everyone for watching, and I wish you, if you also play this game, I wish that you can also beat this level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's a good score.
Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye. See you next time. In the